Okay, next come to the master bedroom. Okay, so I mentioned just now, typically you would have your wardrobe here, alright, 1.8 meter, which is insufficient. So I would have to extend the wardrobe a little bit more. So what I would be doing would be to extend this wall out here, okay, as deep as the wardrobe, and then create another wardrobe here. Okay, so there's a little walking corridor here. So what I would do would be to do a sliding door and then conceal the master bathroom. And in order to give even more wardrobe space for the homeowner, right, I have designed another wardrobe here, somewhere like here. Okay, so it's like a pair of wardrobe facing each other, and then the entrance to the master bedroom will be here. Okay, and since this homeowner likes a TV in the master bedroom, okay, so I've extended out this little bit, okay, and then do it until the end, right, with a little dresser, okay, and right, because the wife has some bags collection, so I'm going to use this space here. Right, the door is here for some small display of her bags, and they managed to squeeze in a king size bed, okay, 2 side table, right, so the space here is good enough, right, it's quite wide, it's not cramped, and the space here as well, it's not cramped, right? The bed will stretch until here. Okay, so it's still very comfortable walking space all around.